Thanks very much, David. And good morning. I'm very pleased to be here opening your National Symposium on behalf of David Stewart, who is the Director General of the Department of Transport and Main Roads. David had a prior commitment and sends his apologies. I must say, though, that the Department is very proud to be a sole sponsor of this symposium. I welcome you all and hope that the papers presented here will lead to a better understanding on how to work towards providing linear infrastructure that is not only well designed for the humans on the planet, but also for the flora and fauna on which we depend. I went camping on the weekend and the music that you heard this morning with the bellbirds on just didn't stop for 3 days, so it was very relaxing for me to come here this morning to hear the same sort of thing. I certainly enjoy nature and my wife and I do a lot of bushwalking and that sort of stuff, and I make sure that in the engineering work that we do, we're certainly looking after that as much as we can. The Department recognises the importance of breaking the barriers that longitudinal infrastructure can create and does create. To mitigate impacts on the environment, the Department has delivered a number of initiatives which we believe are at the best practice end of environmental management. We've developed a range of documentation, including an overarching environment and heritage policy and strategy, good practice manuals, guidelines and standards to guide our practices on all of our road projects. We regularly undertake sound research and development, both both underpin and continuously improve these manuals and standards. We're also implementing systems for recording environmental data and to enable environmental reporting. One example that illustrates this is on the East Evelyn Range upgrade project in tropical North Queensland. This project resulted in a safer road for motorists. But by applying fauna-sensitive road design principles, we were also able to reconnect previously fragmented ecosystems. The upgrade involved replacing 3.2 kilometres of winding single-lane road through the Wet Tropics World Heritage Area with a safer 2-lane roadway. Previously fragmented ecosystems containing threatened species such as cassowary, tree kangaroo and some interesting possums were reconnected by designing fit for service fauna underpasses. These underpasses were designed with input from stakeholders including the Environmental Protection Agency, James Cook University and local community groups. We've also taken the opportunity to monitor the effectiveness of these treatments under site-specific conditions over time. Technical governance is important to me as the Chief Engineer of the Main Roads Department, or the Transport and Main Roads Department. And it's about having the confidence that we're consistently doing the technical things right. We've developed a number of high standard environmental management practice manuals. Examples include the Road Project Environmental Processes Manual, Legislation Register, Roads in Wet Tropics, Culvert Fishway Planning and Design Guidelines, Road Maintenance Code of Practice, Road Landscape Manual, Road Traffic Noise Management Manual, and Fauna Sensitive Road Design Manual, Volumes 1 and 2. We've won several external and internal awards for our achievements in this area. Today's presentation on fauna sensitive road design will highlight Main Roads' continued effort to mitigate the negative effects of road infrastructure on the environment. Welcome again, and please ensure the success of this National Symposium by taking the many opportunities provided for active participation.